right, here we go. This is the last of the interest formulas. This one's called the PERT formula, P-E-R-T. It stands for continual interest. It's A is the amount at the end still. P is the principal or the beginning amount that you invest or borrow. E is a special cool math number. It stands for 2.71. I'm not going to get into all the cool stuff about E, but it's a really cool thing. And E is raised to the R times T, R being the interest rate again as a decimal, and T is the time in years. In this case, sometimes you're going to have to do this part again separately, but usually you don't. So Donnie owes $7,000 on a loan compounded continuously. He's paying 9% interest for 3 years. How much will he owe after 3 years? Okay, so 7,000 is your P. That's the amount he starts with. R is 9% as a decimal, and T is 3 years. So the amount he owes on $7,000 times E, 2.71 always, raised to the 0.09 times 3. Just like before, we're going to simplify as much as I can. So I'm going to take 0.09 times 3, and it is 0.27. So it's going to be 7,000 times 2.71 raised to the 0.27. Again, just before, you can type all this in your calculator using your caret key to raise 2.71 to the 0.27. So when I put that into my calculator and do that math, I get $9,162 and rounded to 20 cents. So all in all, you have over $9,000 in your account after 3 years if you compound it continuously. So you can see that you've earned $2,162.20 in interest. Not too bad. All right, what if I have I want to know the initial investment into an account that's been compounded continuously for 7 years at 2.5% interest if the value of the account is now $12,550. This is one where I'm going to have to work backwards because this is the amount now, so I know A and not P. T is 7, and the interest rate is 2.5%, and again, we're compounding continuously, so we're going to use the E. So $12,550 equals, I don't know, times E, 2.71, raised to the 0.025, the interest rate is a decimal, times 7. I'm going to simplify this as much as I can. So I've got $12,550 equals P times 2.71 raised to the 0.175. I'm going to raise 2.71 to the 0.175. So $12,550 equals P times. I'm going to carry this answer out to quite a few decimals, actually. So I'm going to get 1.19. I believe I carried it out to 4 or 5 decimals. 0.61. Again, I want to be as accurate as I can when I do this, just in case it makes sense to round my P to a nice, beautiful number like we did before. So P times 1.19061. I'm going to divide 12,550 by that decimal. Sorry, so when I divide by 1.19061, sorry for the poor handwriting there, I get 10540, so $10,542.82. You probably could round this and say that I had $10,541. It's kind of a weird amount to invest, so it would probably be okay to go ahead and round it, or you can just leave it this answer. And as I said, this is our final percent problems to deal with.